Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss how to solve a recurrence relation by using substitution method. For this example, here the example is T of n. The time complexity for solving n number of elements is equal to T of root n plus c. If n greater than 4, this is the recursive equation for the base condition, that is n less than or equal to 4. The time complexity is equal to 1. Now solve. T of n is equal to T of root n plus c. So this is the equation. Now you need to reduce the equation until the base condition is reached. This is the equation for n number of elements. Now simply I written square root of n is written as n power 1 by 2 plus c. Now what I am doing for easy understanding, if n, this is the equation. Now n is replaced with n power 1 by 2. If n is replaced with n power 1 by 2, what is the equation? N power 1 by 4. T of n power 1 by 4 plus c. Now simply this one is a substitution with that one. T of n by 1 power 4 plus c total 2c. In the next iteration, T of it is replaced with this equation is replaced with n power 1 by 4. Then that is T of n power 1 by 8 plus 3c and so on. T of n by 1 power 2 power k kc. Got it? That is, this recursive step is repeated up to k number of times. This is 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube and so on 2 power k. So 2 cube 3 times, 2 square 2 times, 2 power 1 1 time. Finally this is kc. Like this, whatever the equation they are given, you need to repeat up to k number of times. Now when we are stopping, whenever this value is equal to 1. When this value is equal to 1, when this value is equal to 1, this n by n power 1 by 2 power k, this value is equal to 1 if it is less than or equal to 4. Got it? Now n power 1 by 2 power k is less than or equal to 4, then only this value becomes 1, then only we stop the condition. That is, now take the logarithm. Log of n power 1 by 2 power k less than or equal to log 4. So you know the formula, log of log a power b. What is the formula? B into log a. Similarly, 1 by 2 power k into log n is less than or equal to log 4. By default, the base is 2. By default, the base is 2. Now, log n is less than or equal to log 4 base 2 value is equal to 2. 2 into this move to here 2 power k. 2 into 2 power k. Now, log n by 2 is less than or equal to 2 power k. Log n by 2 is less than or equal to 2 power k. My final aim is you need to get the k value. That is the reason I moved this 2 to this one. Again take the logarithm. Log of log n by 2 is less than or equal to log of 2 power k. Log m by n, what is the formula? Log m by log n. Log m by log n. Log of log m minus log 2 is less than or equal to k into log 2 base 2. So log n minus 1 is less than or equal to k. Minus 1 is less than or equal to k. Now here if you replace by assume this value is equal to k and this equation becomes T of 1 n power 1 by 2 power k. I assume all this equation, this value becomes 1 plus k. K is replaced with this equation. Log n minus 1 into c. T of 1 value is equal to 1. C into log n minus c. Finally, what is the answer? Big O of log into log n. Any multiplication, addition, subtraction with the constants are ignored. Simply log n. If you understand carefully, this term is equal to 1. That is my assumption. If it is less than or equal to 4. So moving on, here I assume k value is equal to this one. That means you need to replace k in terms of n. Why? Because my final time complexity is in terms of n. So this is the recurrence relation. We will solve some more examples to get the clear idea. Thank you.